Hello. Welcome to my channel where I break down SPY's daily price movements, sometimes predicting, sometimes explaining, so we can all trade smarter together. Today is Monday, March 24th, and we are focused on this green candle right here. All right, y'all. So today we had a very good update, very good momentum, and we moved up past this gap, creating a new gap, which I will note here, and then going into this seller zone here. So let's um, acknowledge the gap. All right, so what I've done is draw the gap for what was made today. And so now we have canceled out this old gap and then we're going into a new seller zone. So momentum was pretty up today. And I'm thinking it's because after we gained our momentum from this buyer zone here, we kept trying to push up, but this was a strong zone. Eventually, we got some more momentum or bias here and then pushed it past. I say this is very strong because price jumped up. And today's Monday, so we still have a relatively shouldn't be as volatile week, but it just depends on what announcements would be made. We have unemployment claims coming out this week, and we have a few reports coming out this week, which I will link in the notes for you in case you are curious. I do think that because of this jump, price may mellow out tomorrow, or just kind of because of where price ended, it could keep going up. We do have another gap here that wasn't all the way filled, so that may bump price back down. But I do think that price has turned and is on its way back up after several weeks of downward momentum. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching, and come back tomorrow so that we can see what SPY does in the market.